Listen, I just heard a woodpecker. That's pretty cool. What is going on, guys? Today I am at a place called Sand Run Park. This park is about 10 minutes from where I live, and there's a couple of trails here. The bottom one with the blue, that's the Buckeye Trail. That goes all the way across the state of Ohio, so yeah, we're not doing that today. The top, I believe, is called the Valley View Trail. It's 5.6 miles, so we're not going to do all that, but we're just take a little bit of a hike. And I got it like a couple hours before I have to get to work, so yeah, we're just going to hike around a little bit today. It's a beautiful day out here. Maybe stop, take some pictures along the way. And this trail is starting already with me going uphill, so it's a nice little creek down in there. You can kind of hear it, but it's nice so far. Haven't ran any other people, which I always enjoy. It's a little bit moist out. Hoping there won't be any mosquitoes out here. If I start getting bit, trust me, I am gonna get out of here. I didn't bring anything today. I didn't bring any bug repellent or anything like that. It's kind of an unexpected little hike, and already going up this hill is starting to suck. All right, hope you guys can hear everything okay. I didn't bring my microphone. Look at this, is beautiful out here. This is another of those things where I say you don't have to go far to have an adventure. Like I said, this is about 10 minutes from where I live. I did pass a couple walking a dog, but so far they've been the first people I've seen out here. I wonder what kind of plants those are. These things are huge. It's been a little buggy. Oh wow, there's a house up there. Sorry, yeah, I got my little ADHD kicking in. You see that? Be a nice, well, it's kind of scary. Your backyard is right there, and there's just this cliff coming down. All right, so far I've not even gone like a quarter mile, and it brought me up to the next parking area. So we're gonna keep on heading into the woods. Yeah, I like to get a little bit farther away from the road, getting someplace a little more secluded. And once again, I gotta go uphill. Killing me, Smalls, you're killing me. I'll tell you what, man, hiking up hills just reminds me how much out of shape I am. Hoping to put in maybe a mile or so today. Not a lot, but gotta start somewhere. Ooh, this hill is killing me. It's not even that big. That's pretty sad. Then you get out here. Yeah, I'm trying to breathe and talk. You gotta figure, do I want to get exercise or do I want to enjoy the view? Ooh, so it's hard for me to, that's pretty cool. Big rock right in there, middle of nowhere. Yay, I see downhill. But that's a part of it. Is, do I walk fast, get some exercise in? I can hear the train in the back. It's Cuyahoga Valley National Railroad. Such a cool sound. And yeah, as usual, I'm all over the place. So it's a matter of, do I walk fast, get some exercise, or a little bit slower, take my time, enjoy the scenery. So the other day we had some pretty major storms. Looks like a tree came down right here and covered the trail. A lot of old trees right here. Means I gotta walk in the deep grass, and if you know me, yes, I have a fear of ticks. Let's get through this stuff real quick. Get back on the trail. There's a little creek down there somewhere. I'm getting a little bit farther away from the road, I think, because I'm not hearing cars anymore. Not seeing any people. Loving this. It's like I was saying earlier, I get out. Make sure I'm going the right way here. There's a trail marker. Okay, yeah, I need to keep going the same way. And you know, you don't always have to go out of state, out of city. Just find the parks in your area. It's like a little mini vacation. Get away from the cars and the people and all the noise. Spend a little bit of time in nature. And that's what I'm trying to get in right now. Okay, so I can really hear the stream. So I'm coming up on it. It's another trail marker. Need to go this way. Huh, I don't know what this little construct is. Is that a dam? And I gotta go across. Which reminds me, I need new hiking boots. So yeah, little walkway going across. Sounds like a little bit of a waterfall or something up that way. But let's head down here. I'll just keep waiting on somebody to come walking across and wondering what the hell is this guy talking to himself about. Yeah, this is interesting. I've never been here. You can see there's like little walls and a little waterfall. So I don't know if this was maybe, there's one here. I'm not at the canal, so these aren't locks. I'm just guessing it was something put here to control the water flow. Don't know. All right, let's see if I can get across here without falling on my ass, because I am clumsy. And the water is a little high. Keep seeing little things moving around. Make sure this is stable. No, that's that's not stable. I'm always so paranoid I'm gonna fall. All right, I made it across, and here's the trail over here. Thought I got not lost, but thought maybe I got off the trail for a minute. Of course, more uphill. Only good thing about that is on my way back, just about everything should be downhill. I don't know if I'm gonna, if this goes back to the road and walk down the road to get back, or just take the trail. It's gonna be a matter of time constraints, because I do have to get to work this afternoon. But this is nice. You go to this park, and most of the people just stay out on, there's like a jogging trail. So not too many people actually come out here in the woods. Whew, yeah. What a workout. Just admiring the views out here. You can't really tell the angles, but that's pretty high up there. I keep hearing a dog barking off in the distance somewhere. Wonder what lives down in that hole. Kind of nice. Coming on top of this ridge. And yeah, there's a little chipmunk. So maybe that's what was living down in that hole. It's a little steep right there. You can see the creek going to a little culvert. The road is right there. And hey, there's a little, okay, this trail goes around, and yeah, I finally get to go downhill some. I just feel like this whole hike so far has been uphill. I don't think they're allowed here, but this would be a cool little place to ride a mountain bike. Let's make this little turn. Here we get to go downhill. Oh, sweet relief. I still keep waiting on somebody to come through here right when I'm in the middle of talking to myself. Thing is, it'll probably scare the hell out of them, because they think there's some crazy guy out here in the woods. There's another little chipmunk. Where did he go? Kind of hard to see him. He's on that log right there. There's a lot of chipmunks out here. So I'm the type of person, when I'm walking around, I see things, and I would like to know, like, what is that right there? It's like a little piece of concrete in the middle of the park, and it looked like it was underground. So I was just wondering what might have been there at one time. All right, let's keep walking. I see another parking area coming up. Don't know if this goes to that or if I'm gonna need to keep walking. All right, so a little bit of history about Sand Run. The park was founded in 1929. It's 998 acres. You might as well say 1,000. It's just a beautiful place. And it's so close to the city, but you can get here and not feel like you're in the city at all. And there's all kinds of different things you can do. If you want a little solitude, you can go out in the woods. If you just want to come out, light up your grill, have a picnic, or play in the huge grass areas, you can do that. There's a jogging trail right over on the other side that's all paved. There's something here I was reading, look, bugs, somewhere, I think once a year, where they actually close a part of the park down because the amphibians come out and they mate and they have to cross the road. There's 3 different types of owls that live here. 3 different kinds of, what was it? No, there were some owls, 3 different kinds of squirrels, like red squirrels, gray squirrels, fox squirrels. I have never seen an owl out here. That would be pretty cool. Okay, yeah, I'm right back next to the road. All right, guys, I finally made it back to my car. I walked back down the road. It was way farther than I thought, because when I sat down last time, it was like 0.8 miles, and I figured because I was in the woods, it's probably like a quarter mile or so to get back to my car. So that was like a half mile. So hey, 1.3 something miles, which it might not sound like a lot, but for me, damn it, I'm happy. Because it wasn't too bad. It was pretty easy. So yeah, see how this weekend's weather goes, and maybe I'll come back and do the Dogwood Trail. All right, so I got to get home, take a shower, get ready for work. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like these kind of videos, give this a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. But you know me, I'll probably record them anyway. All right, I'm out of here. I'll see you in the next video. It's a beautiful day out. Yeah, wherever you live, go out, find a park, take a hike. You'll feel so much better about yourself. All right, guys, I'll see you next time.